Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how you can make money online by copy and paste ad. Yes, you can. This is another copy and paste method. You can make money by copy and paste ad online. For this method I'm gonna use two websites. First, where you can copy and paste an ad to get traffic. The second website where you can sell a product and make money. This is not affiliate marketing, but you can apply the same theory to affiliate marketing. So first, the product I'm going to sell is ebook. If you see my old videos, I make a video on a Payhip where you can make money by selling a free PLR ebook. So this is a website where you can list your ebook for sales, but we need to drive traffic in order to make money. So I'm going to show the entire method and tutorials and a couple of other websites where you can repeat the same pattern. Before that, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also, if you like our video, click the like button on the bottom of the video. Also, if you want to win £10, like this video and subscribe. If this video at 100 likes, I will do the giveaway. So watch until the end for the full giveaway and the explanation. So what is this is you can copy and paste ad. The first website I'm using here is called the free ad forum, where you can add classify ad here and you can make money, but this is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. There is a paid version there. In order to get more views, more ranking on the page, you can make money, but you can use the paid version because this is the ebook I want to promote. So I already listed my ad here. I want to show you, this is my ad. You can see listed here, but I want to show you how this works. If you search it on a search, and it will show where your ebook is listed. Because this ebook listed in the bottom of the page, because of it's not ranked properly, you can see here. But if you want to get it in there with the yellow background, that means it's promoted, so you have to pay for that. But you don't have to. You can get organic traffic from that. Before I show the entire tutorial and everything, that you can see it on SimilarWeb. This website getting around 136 monthly unique view from here. That means it's low competitions. There's no high competition, low competition that you can utilize to make money. So first, what you have to do, go to this website, the free ad forum, and click create my account. They ask you just email address and name. Once you sign up, you need to confirm your email address. That's it, guys. You're done with it. Well, now what you have to do, once you come to your first page, you're gonna look like this. You can see this hundreds of different category. People are posting classified ad, from business to make money online to jobs to service to everything, but we're gonna go with fitness. So what you have to do, click publish your ad for free, and it will open this page where you can add and everything. So on the category, you need to select the category that you want to promote. So my category is fitness, so you can go to health, beauty and fitness. For the title, you copy and paste the title. I already published this ebook, but I want, for this video, I want to just go through the step by step, so you guys can easily understand it. So just paste the title here, and description, the description is already written here. Just copy that and paste. Basic description is enough. You don't have to write a big description, just copy and paste it. Now there's no section to add a link, so buy now button to redirect your traffic into your Payhip. So but you need to add that link inside your description. So you need to click this one, this part. Also let them know this is ebook, and they can get around 50% off if they buy using this link and using this coupon. So let them know. So now what you have to do, click this type buy your ebook now, highlight this part and go here, and there's you can insert link or unlink. So click insert link, and it will open this mini page where you can put your Payhip URLs, which is this one for your ebook, and go back, put that and open in the same window or new window, and title for the ebook title and insert link, and it will automatically insert the link. So you copy that in the, put that in the top of the description and the bottom of the description. That's it. On the price section, what you do, type your price and select the amount which is $4.99 or dollars or pound or euro. Then you need to list the locations. You need to select the country. Some of the forum won't work other countries, but some of them work all worldwide. You can see this working in Australia, India, Spain and Thailand, so it's no problem. Select United Kingdom, and you don't have to select any of these, just you can put city and area if you want. Then YouTube video, if you have a YouTube video, you can put that, or you can go to website like YouTube and get a video URL from relevant topics or intermittent fasting. So I can just go ahead and put this URL into that classified ad. Just copy that and put it here. Go back and put it here. And don't worry, of this section is for the paid version, so you can apply 3 pack in 20 USD, duration 90 days, best deal. That will push your ad in front of people for 90 days. You don't want to do that. Go back down. If you don't have the money, don't worry, just click no thank you and publish. It will automatically publish your ebook within a second, guys. That your ebook is up and running. You can see it from here, and you can see all the description. This is the YouTube video. People, if they click this buy now button, it will automatically redirect into BEFREELIFE account where they can buy that ebook. This is one way that you can make money online by copy and paste ad, where you can link this method with your ebook sale, or you can repeat this method for affiliate product. You can see lots of people selling affiliate product here. Work from home, these music, these are clickbank affiliate offers people are promoting using this site. These are one in many sites. If you go to Google and type a list of free advertising forum, these are the couple of sites will open up that you can go ahead, create free account, and you can list your advertisement for free. This is a copy and paste ad, but remember that some of the site won't work, some of the site don't allow other countries, so just go and try a couple of them, because you can get organic traffic to your ebook sales or your affiliate offers or your website or your YouTube video, whatever you can do, and you can get free traffic from them. You can see this ebook get 64 views from here organically. I don't do any paid advertisement, and half of the view come from Quora and half of them come from this paid the free ad forums, where I post these links all over the free ad forums where people click and come back. They didn't buy anything, but again 64 free organic traffic, guys. This is where you can make money by copy and paste ad. Thanks guys for watching my videos. If this video had 100 likes, I will do the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon. Also don't forget to like our video. If this video had 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on next video by picking the winner from the comment section. So like our video on the comment section, right? I like this video, and put your PayPal address. Until that, see you in next video.